So, what did I get from Sephora? A whole bunch of stuff. At this point, I'm going to just stop apologizing. Y'all know I ain't got no intro because this, again, video is all over the place. But anyway, I know the Sephora haul and all of that stuff has already been done, but I'm still going to do it because I did it, as in I filmed it, but it's just now coming out. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. I love you guys. I hope you'll stick around for more that I did not need. Stuff like that you see right here. So, first things up, I got this setting spray by One Size because it's amazing. And even though my skin is going through like a straight transition of becoming dry, I still love the setting spray because it's amazing. And literally, your face will be on till dawn. Especially this with the airbrush by Charlotte Tilbury, which I also got that because they had the little points, the little travel size, you know, where you could trade in your points for it. They had that, so I got it because I needed some more anyway, so that was perfect and on time. And it was for free. Well, not really, because I've spent money to get it. But anyway, then I got this because Andrea Renee made me buy it. Just like I got this fragrance because Andrea Renee made me buy it. And then I also got this because, again, Andrea Renee made me buy it. And then this because I was in the store. I didn't even know Huda had a new, I did not know that Huda had a new, what is this called? What is this stuff? Concealer. Until I was in there. But so, yeah. So I got this in Deep Tan, I believe. Yeah, Deep Tan, also known as 10. There wasn't a lot of shades of this. Like, her other one has way more shades than this one, but that one seemed to be like the highlighter that I want. Then TikTok made me buy this, and so I got the Yummy Skin Flush Blush. Stop, Denver, by Danessa Myricks, and I got it in the shade Prima Donna. And I thought I had another one, but maybe I didn't. Okay. Then I always buy a new beauty blender. Like, every time there's a sale, I'm going to get a new beauty blender just because I don't feel like you can have too many. So then I got the Makeup by Mario. What is this? Like this is the Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Color. And I got this one in the color Mocha Raisin, and then I think I got another one. Yeah, and I also got another one in the color Mulberry. There we go. Then I just needed some more of their deodorant. Love this, and it actually does help like lighten up like the darkness under your underarm, like especially for people of color, especially people of darker skin color. This stuff is bomb. Now I ain't gonna lie. If you don't detox your underarms correctly, or you are not used to using aluminum-free deodorants, you're going to stink if you use this. So you definitely need to do that before you start trying to use this. But other than that, love this stuff. Then my daughter's holding on to something. Oh, I got the Tatcha, what is it? Luminous Dewy Skin Mist because it makes your makeup look amazing. Then I just read up on this because I needed some more of this. So this is a re-up. Because I needed some more. But love this stuff also. It's amazing. And that's all. And I think, oh, and then what is it called? The Cherry Blossom Powder by Huda Beauty came back in stock. So like it was in stock. Then before I could buy it, it went out of stock again during the sale. And then now it's back in stock. So I got the alert. So I did purchase that because I wanted to try it. I don't know. Y'all listen. I'm not one of those where like if I don't like something, I'll hold on to it. No, I'm going to take it back and get my money back. So a lot of times I'll try products because if I don't like it, it's not, you know, no harassment, no issues. Like, you just take it back before they credit your card back. You're good to go. So that's why I don't really get out of my closet.
I'm not in your closet.
I'm talking to the dog. So that's why I don't really mind buying stuff that I'm not sure if I'm going to really like or whatever. So, which that powder is one of the ones that I'm not sure if I'm going to like it, but wanted to try it anyway. And definitely want to try it while it was on sale. But actually, this is a plug. Huda Beauty, usually, like, I've noticed this may not be true, but this is something that I've noticed on my own. During the Sephora, like, semi-annual sales, so the spring one and the winter one, aka the Christmas one, they usually run a sale like at the same time, but their products are 25% off on facial products. Sometimes it's like lip products, but I've noticed it's more of the facial products. But the powder, the cherry blossom powder, was out of stock there, and it still hasn't come back in stock on that site. So I wanted to take advantage of at least getting some money off. So 20%, because I am Rouge, which that's a whole situation in itself. Because, like, I don't even wear my makeup like I really want to, but I still feel like I need to have it so that when I do want to wear it, I have it and it's not a problem. But anyway, like I said,
You smell like mint.
I smell like mint. Okay, great. Well, that's better than smelling like, something else. So, okay, I'll take it. But anyway, yeah, so I'm getting ready to go to bed, clearly. I'm going to wash my face and go to bed and get these little people to go to bed too. So, anywho, see you in a few. I'm like super excited. Just got out the shower though. Just had to throw on some pants, turn on my robe because my sofa is here. I'm so excited. Progress. I got 2 pieces up here, and then I just put like the pillows over here because I do not want dog hair on it. And I did notice like a little snag, so I'll let them know about that already. It costs too much money. So here it is, and it's way bigger than I thought and anticipated.
And it's very big.
But I do like it. It's just huge. But I won't always be in this house. So one day it'll all work out. But remember, I put this rug here, and then I had that other white rug in here. So I moved that one into here. And I like it because I was concerned about it being rectangle under this round table, but I researched it and it said as long as it's at least 24 inches on all sides, then it's fine. And I agree, it looks cute. So yeah, about to go take this dog out, go to the store, take her. I'm not gonna get put in that bone. That's so we can't do that. And then go do something. She's she always wants to be in the camera. So there we go. Get your little 5 minutes of non-fame because I don't have enough subscribers yet. In Denver. Hi. So yeah. But anyway, so it's cute. I gotta finish like cleaning up and all that stuff. And I do like that it's a lot deeper. So like now my pillows fit fine without like being at the very edge of the sofa. But it is like, y'all, it's like edge to edge. But yeah, I'm so happy you said that. Thank you so much. So we're gonna take care of this. Because again, I'm not gonna always be in this house, but I do hope to have this for a while.
This is the couch that you've been wanting for years.
You got it, girl.
I'm spreading it out.
Yeah, keep spreading it.
It's jam.
No, it ain't no jam. Look, like this, look. See how she kind of stretch it out like. But don't get the holes in it. You don't want holes in it. That's just, don't keep playing with it too much.
No.
Okay, spread it out.
Spreading it out.
There's good. All right. Destiny, spread it out, child. You need help?
Yes. Mine has holes in it. I'm trying to.
No, that's not what you do. It probably don't need it too much. You get yours too much.
Awesome.
This one, it just might come through. Yeah, I'm gonna give you some.
I do it. Can we please
Shut the door. Bella, quit opening the door.
I shut it when I come in.
Yeah, but Bella probably opened it. Now that fly done got in my house. Hate flies.
They're dumb and
I know they have a purpose, but not in my house. All right, here.
Mommy, they're yucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they keep on hurting us. Ah, stay away from our food.
All right, here. So I'm just gonna pour it, and then you can take the spoon and smear it around. I'm gonna get you a spoon too, dear.
I get scared when flies fly around my food. Because my dad showed me like this video about how flies can like lay eggs on your food.
Then you eat it. There once was a woman that swallowed a fly, right?
And then she swallowed a horse and then
Okay. Now we're going to mix the mozzarella.
yeah. Denver, you like Mommy and Sissy being Italian?
Italiano.
Yeah, no.
All right, keep it on there. Okay.
Also, one time someone broke pasta in front of me.
Someone did what?
Broke pasta in front of me.
Broke it?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to help me. Maybe my... Hold on, Denver. Hold on. I'm trying to spread it out a little bit.
And I was like, what are you doing? And she was like, I'm making pasta. What does it look like I'm doing?
Where was this at? Huh?
It was at school.
They make pasta at school? What?
Yeah, they make spaghetti.
Are you making up something?
No, we will not eat cheese. Babies don't eat cheese. Mom don't eat cheese. And no, Daddy don't eat cheese.
And two mind readers are reading each other's mind. Whose mind goes in?
And here are their homemade pizzas. It's pizza-ish. And they have fun doing it. So, whatever. Cute. Hashtag fun fact about me. If you are an oldie but goodie, because like I'm still sitting at the same subscribers, y'all. I need y'all to subscribe. But you guys will know that I do makeup also. And so I bought this little like disposable kit. Yeah, so it comes with like all of these different little tools and things that you could just use and then throw away. So that would be perfect. But anyway, what I was saying is I just got a little Amazon box. So excited. And what was in there are my new spice jars. So the ones that I have now, I love. They're just too big and they're round, and so they just roll around in the drawer that I put them in, and that's just not cool, even on the little risers. So I got these, which are very much like the ones that I already have, except they're square, so they'll sit there without rolling, and they're smaller. So hopefully I can get more of them on the little risers that I bought. And I hope that I have enough of the seasonings that are on the labels, because I'm just going to use the pre-made labels. I could go to Etsy. I'm not. And anyway, so yeah. So I'm going to go upstairs and wash these out, and then hopefully my hands will work with me and not be like cramping all up, so that I can actually go ahead and... Hey! I'm filming. So I've only like filled up like 26 of them, but I've reached my capacity for tonight. So I'm just loading up my old ones in the dishwasher here, and I'm going to clean up my mess because as you can see, I made a hell of a mess. But these are all the ones that I got done tonight, and I'll fill up some more because I still have tons of more seasonings down here, which I'm probably going to end up having to either write some, which it did come with like the blank labels also, and then like the little pen or marker to write it on. But I feel like, I don't know, it might work. I haven't even tried it. But anyway, I'm probably going to end up having to write some, but I'm just going to clean up my mess and put these up. I have them in these two drawers, this one and this one, but I decided to just lay them all out and put them in here. So I'm gonna, I should have lined this first, but I didn't, and I'm not about to now. So I'm just gonna go through, and I'm gonna try to put the ones that I use most often first. I'm not worried about putting them in alphabetical order. Maybe one day I will, but today's not that day. It's not that deep to me. So I'm just gonna do this real fast and then clean up my mess and call it a day. I have to make, see, because I have stuff like this. So I need to make labels for like these special seasonings and things that I use, because I have like a green seasoning and different things like that that are specifically for vegetables, because I'm a bootleg vegetarian. I say bootleg because I eat seafood a little bit more often than I should. So I call myself a vegetarian. So anywho, I'm a bootleg vegetarian. I'm not even gonna say quite pescatarian, because it's just like straight up shrimp and stuff like that that I want. So anywho, I'm gonna do this real fast, quit talking, and guys, I'm so sorry that I recorded the video in the wrong direction so that this one is a lot smaller. But here I'm just showing you kind of what it looks like once I got them all in there. And hopefully I'll move my ashy hand in a few so that you can actually see it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you all have enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you all will come back, and please like, comment, and share my video. And also don't forget to subscribe. Remember, taking the first step can be the hardest step, but it can also be the most rewarding. Go ahead, step out on faith, trust God to see you through, and know that everything else will fall into place. But while you're at it, I ask that you please like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. And until next time, I'll see you soon, and I love you much. Bye.